Morning Primary 4. Today's handwriting on Wednesday the 3rd of March is the R join. We're looking at the R joining with other letters. So we're going to look at R joining with U to start with, just to practice. Now the R and the U are both the same kind of size. So they go halfway between the two lines. So as you see, here's the top line and the bottom line, and the R and the U are halfway between the two of them. Okay, now we're going to look at write the word ran. Okay, I think the last one's a good one, so I'm going to do a little star on that one, and the R and the U above, forgot to do a little heart on that one. Now we're looking at rug. So remember, the G is a hanging letter. So the R and the U and the G sit on the line, and then you've got the tail here as well. So I think the best one here, I'm going to go for this one, put in a little cloud. The final word that we're going to do is round. So I've only got room for two. But so R, O, U and the N are all the same, half size, and the D should be right up to the top. So I think the final one's better. So give it a little squiggly line. Okay, our challenge at the end, we've got our sentence, run around the room. Okay, we're going to remember the capital letter at the start and the full stop at the end. Okay, give it a go. Look forward to seeing all your work. Bye.